Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have 20 bird species for you to identify, and this is how we are going to do it. This is going to be a very simple quiz. I show you the bird, describe it, and you name it, and the game changer starts now. Please put your answer in the comment box. Number 1. This is a small, slim, long-tailed bird. It's brownish gray above, with the gray extended over head to upper breast. This bird is commonly found on rocky escarpment and in broken hills. What's the name of this bird? Number 2. I am a small black and white bird with a pale wing stripe and a checkered back. I have a strong chestnut stripe running from my shoulders to the flank. I prefer savanna and broadleaf woodland. I feed on invertebrates. What's my name? Please put your answer in the comment box. Keep trying. I don't expect you to know everything. I know you are not all bird watchers. To help conserve birds and their habitats, please subscribe to this channel. Number 3. This is a boldly marked bird with brown back, rufous tail, and white underparts. It's also heavily spotted with black and mostly found in areas with dense undergrowth within savanna, woodland, and scrub habitats. It's a fairly shy bird that feeds on the ground, sometimes around campsites. This bird is easily detected by song, musical, and whistles with combination of repeated notes. What's the name of this bird? Number 4. What's the name of this beautiful medium-sized black and white bird with a red patch above the bill and white eyebrows and breast? This bird is commonly found in dry woodland and savanna. Please try. Remember to put your answer in the comment box. You can see the bright patch on the forehead with a heavy, short, thick bill. It's foraging on fruits down there. Number 5. What's the name of this stunning orange bird with unmistakable zebra striped wings, nice fan crest, which is usually held closed, as you can see, but it's often raised after landing with a long decurved bill? Number 6. What's the name of this small cute bird with red foreground spot and a short black mala stripe, streaked whitish and black above with yellowish underparts? This bird is widespread in dry bush and woodland. Please keep trying. Put your answer in the comment box. Number 7. This is a pale grey bird with an extremely long tail, with a red bill, red bare facial skin, and glossy blue patch on the back of the head. It's mostly found in savanna, but sometimes also found in woodland habitats. It's always found in groups of 5 to dozens. What's the name of this bird? Number 8. This is a medium-sized bird that usually looks completely dark gray, though a dark black hood may be visible in good light. It's found in a wide range of habitats, including savanna and woodland. This bird sometimes is found emerging to the top of a bush, singing, as you can see here. The song is normally given as a pair duet. What's the name of this bird? Please put your answer in the comment box. Number 9. I'm a little terrestrial songbird, mostly found in plains and agricultural fields and semi-deserts. I am black with snow-white crown. My belly and rump also have black and white tail patterns. What's my name? Please put your answer in the comment box. Number 10. This bird has a dark crown with white edges to wing coverts, often forming two bars, as you can see here. It's also heavily streaked underneath. This bird is also found in a variety of habitats except forests and deserts. It normally feeds on insects. What's the name of this bird? Please put your answer in the comment box. Keep trying, keep trying. To be able to name the bird correctly, please keep watching and listening to the description. You'll be able to answer all birds' names correctly. Number 11. I am a small grey-crowned bird with a small white nasal spot, with a narrow white supercilium and a narrow black breastband. What's my name? Please put your answer in the comment box. Number 12. This is a grey-brown bird with rufous wings and a bold pale eyebrow, with a brown central crown that is bordered by black stripes. It's mostly found on the ground, hopping and gleaning for insects in scrub and thickets. What's the name of this bird? Please pay attention to details. You'll get to know the name of this bird. Please put your answer in the comment box. (13) This is a small pretty waxbill with a bold black face mask, mostly found in dry thorny scrub and woodland. It's usually found in pairs or flocks of up to 30 birds. What's the name of this bird? Number 14. I'm giving you a hint of this bird. What's the name of this sunbird? Number 15. This is a spectacular bird with completely black underparts and mostly orange-red upperparts. It's mostly found in open habitats, including cultivated areas, mixed with other birds. What's the name of this bird? Put your answer in the comment box. Number 16. This is a tall bird with large yellow eyes, mostly brownish in color. It has a greyish wing panel that is bordered above with a narrow white bar. What's the name of this bird? Please put your answer in the comment box. Number 17. This is a medium-sized bird that favors freshwater, marshes, lakes and ponds. It's dark above with broader black and streaky below, contrasting with white on the lower belly, with a slightly heavy bill. This is a regular visitor to the coast and inland freshwater. What's the name of this bird? Please put your answer in the comment box. Number 18. This is a black and white bird with a spiffy crest. It has a smartly attired appearance. This bird is mostly found in lowland and foothill open forests and plains, often in thorny growth. What's the name of this bird? It's normally found in pairs. Please keep trying. Number 19. I'll give you a hint of this bird. What's the name of this bee eater? Please keep trying. I'll help you and give you the correct name in the comment box. Keep trying. Number 20 is my favorite bird. This is a vividly colored bird with a red bill, rump and tail, and an olive green back and wing, with orange forehead and throat. It's mostly found in pairs in small flocks. It feeds on seeds on the ground. What's the name of my favorite bird? Please put your answer in the comment box. If it's your favorite bird, tell us also in the comment box. Now, before I end this video, I have a bonus for you. I spotted this crowned eagle chick in Gong Forest. To help conserve birds and their habitats, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now.